Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toddler tool set is probably one of the most sought-after toys for parents who are keen on nurturing their children's creativity and development. This comprehensive review dives deep into the features, safety aspects, and overall value of various wooden tool sets designed specifically for toddlers, helping you choose the perfect set that sparks your little one's imagination and enhances their fine motor skills while ensuring their safety and enjoyment. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Take-Along Tool Kit. It's a sturdy wooden set, perfect for imaginative play. With 24 pieces including a hammer, screwdriver, and more, it sparks endless fun. This isn't just fun, it helps develop hand-eye coordination, problem-solving, and color recognition. It's learning disguised as play. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This is perfect for kids aged 3 to 5. It encourages screen-free fun and creativity. For over 30 years, Melissa and Doug has been creating high-quality toys that inspire imagination and creativity. It's a trusted brand for a reason. We're confident you'll love it, but if for any reason you're not satisfied, we'll make it right. Our commitment to quality is unmatched. What we like. It's a complete set with various tools for imaginative play. This set helps develop your child's fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. If you are looking for a comprehensive and educational toy, this is the perfect choice for your little builder. What people say. The craftsmanship of the toolbox is outstanding. Sturdy wooden construction and attention to detail showcase the brand's commitment to quality. The realistic design adds an extra layer of excitement for young ones who love to mimic real-world scenarios. The variety of tools included is impressive, providing a well-rounded play experience. From a functional screwdriver to colorful nuts and bolts, it sparks creativity and imaginative play. The screws bolts are fully usable with both the screwdriver and the wrench, and all the pieces feel durable and work well. Number 4. Hape Wooden Tea Set. It includes a teapot, teacups, spoons, milk jug, and sugar bowl, all on a convenient tray. Perfect for delightful tea parties. This charming set has everything your child needs for a traditional tea party. They'll love the intricate details. Use it on its own or add Hape's toy food sets for a complete tea party experience. The possibilities are endless. It sparks creativity and imagination while encouraging fun role-playing. Watch their creativity blossom. Made with child-safe, water-based paints and non-toxic finishes. It's durable and made mostly from wood and natural products. It's the perfect gift for children who love pretend play. Hours of fun await. What we like. Everything needed for a charming tea party is included in this set. The beautiful details will spark your child's imagination and creativity. If you like elegant and detailed toys, this tea set will create many hours of fun and imaginative play for your child. What people say. It's lightweight and great for ages 2+. The amount of pieces it contained was just right. Not too many or too few. Very nice toy. This little toolbox is so well made. We're really impressed with the durability and the design. I know it says ages 2 to 4, but we have it to our 1-year-old because the pieces are all pretty good sized and he has a blast with it. Number 3. KIDWILL Kids Tool Set. It has everything your little builder needs, a hammer, wrench, pliers, and more. The vibrant colors and cute patterns make playtime even more fun. With this set, they can build all sorts of things, a balance scale, a windmill, even a car. It sparks their imagination and improves their skills. It's more than just pretend play, it helps with color and shape recognition, counting, and fine motor skills. It's a great way to learn while having fun. Made from high-quality solid wood, it's built to last. The tools are designed to be safe for little hands, and the handy box keeps everything organized. This set includes a wooden toolbox, various tools, building blocks, and even wheels. Everything your child needs for hours of imaginative play. What we like. This tool set has everything your child needs in one convenient box. It encourages creativity and problem-solving skills through building and construction. If your child loves to build and create, this set will provide hours of engaging and educational fun. What people say. Sturdy pieces, cute faces. Love that she's able to be creative while working on fine motor skills as well as learning more about tools. It's really well made, smooth edges, safe for kids to play. Also love that it's all wooden. The box is also really well made and great to keep the tools. Update: we've had this over 9 months now and it looks about as crispy new as when we got it. The kids still play with it very often, so I'd say it's very durable. I found some used Tinker pieces to go with this and it's great. Original: I love how this set came in a case that has areas for all the pieces. It locks shut so everything doesn't spill out everywhere. I think the faces on the tools make it really cute and help girls to know they can use tools too. The set seems well made so it should last a long time. Number 2. Montessori Kitchen Toys Set. This complete set is designed to make cooking fun and safe for your little ones. It includes everything they need to help in the kitchen. Made from food-grade polypropylene and wood, these knives are non-toxic and BPA-free, ensuring your child's safety. They're also durable and built to last. The set includes a variety of knives, cutting boards, and fun cutters, offering diverse ways for your child to explore cooking. There's something for every culinary adventure. The cute designs on the wooden knives will capture your child's attention and make cooking an exciting experience. The ergonomic handles are easy for little hands to grip. These knives help children develop their fine motor skills, creativity, and independence in the kitchen. It's a great way to bond with your child and teach valuable life skills. Cooking together is a wonderful way to create lasting memories and strengthen your family bond. This set makes it easier than ever to include your child in the kitchen. What we like. These knives are designed for safety and fun in the kitchen. The cute designs will make cooking more enjoyable for your child. If you are looking for a way to involve your child in cooking safely, this set is a great option. What people say. The plastic, child-safe knives and crinkle cutter are great for little hands, and my child loves pretending to chop and slice just like a grown-up. The cutting board is sturdy and perfect for all the food prep action. The knives are kid-friendly because they don't cut skin, however when cutting food items, it cuts very well. The cutting boards are very thin, and the knives aren't very bulky so it's easy to store everything in a drawer. It's surprising the wide variety of fruits and vegetables these tools can cut. He can make decorative sandwiches and cut dough designs to top pies and cobblers. Everything is well made and should serve him and his little brother after him. Number 1. Kids Wooden Tool Set. It includes a toolbox, hammer, saw, screwdriver, and many more. Kids will love the bright colors and variety of tools. This set helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving abilities. It's perfect for encouraging imaginative play and learning. It's a tool bench, storage box, and carrying case all in one. Kids can easily take it anywhere and learn to tidy up their toys. Build flowers, windmills, or even a scooter. It sparks creativity and improves logical thinking skills while introducing construction concepts. Made from non-toxic solid wood with smooth surfaces and rounded edges, it's safe for little hands. A perfect gift for any occasion. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of tools and a versatile toolbox. It's designed to be both fun and educational, promoting STEM learning through play. If you want a versatile and educational toy that grows with your child, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Toys is great for little kids to learn how to use different kinds of tools, expanding mind of building. My kids loved this from age 1 up. They played with this so many times. It's durable and can stand the test of toddlers being rough. The variety keeps the kid loving it. Nothing has broken yet and I've stepped on quite a few of the bolts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.